This is BluntCut MetalWorks 37 2016. Today I'm going to demonstrate a really thin edge of a chopper, and mainly going to chop that piece of oak and some 2x4 and demonstrate it, see how thin it is. The thin is the angle, sharpening angle is 15 degrees precise, about 30% inclusive, 30 degree inclusive. And the thickness at the bevel angle shoulder right here is about 0.008 of an inch. And you can tell by the thinness is by when you slice paper, it doesn't wedge and have difficult time sliding paper. This is a phone book paper. And today I'm going to test this section right here because this chip from hitting the granite rock and cinder block and set. But anyway, here you go. Oh, yeah, you can see. It's not about sharper test, but it's about it's a chopper, so, and if you can do fine work, and you can see it slide through that. And this is a piece of cherry wood, dry here, and you can from this look you will see that it's very, very thin and delicate edge. So I don't have a handle, so, and also I don't have, it's raining outside, I don't have a good setup. We'll try to hit it right here, but again, you can examine the overall, and okay, really, and we're in the tight quarter, so I'm going to just make sure I don't hit the setup here. All right. That it hit the knot right here. That's why you see that got exploded. And so anyway, I can look and see whether it's wrinkly, a ripple, or crack, or anything like that. Quick test. You good? That 2x4. And this is some red oak, and I've been ran on a little bit so it get a little extra tough. I got going to do maybe 1-2 hack here, chop here, and conclude this video. Alright, there's a problem with stuck in. You see, it penetrates extra deep because it's really thin geometry, even though the spine is really thick. So I got some wood on here, and we'll see that area impact. And of course I cut it to the chip part, to the part that I damaged before, but you can see the edge stay intact. And when I whittle really quickly some wood from this wood saving, you can probably see that the edge didn't go away. Thanks for watching.